Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Estée Lauder Blockbuster 2025. On the first side you get all the skincare icons. There is the revitalizing Supreme Plus cream, the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream, the Advanced Night Cleansing Gel, the Advanced Night Repair Serum, and the Re-Nutriv Hand Cream. This side also holds the 3 lip products: the Velvet Ribbon Lipstick, the Rosy Ribbon Lipstick, and the Unwrapped Gloss. On the other side, you find the makeup items. The Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, there is the Dusty Rose Blush Stick, and the 7-shade Glam eyeshadow palette. The palette mixes soft mattes and shimmers for everyday easy looks.